Hello, it's time for another phonics lesson. Now, we're up to number 25, the two double O sounds. So that's O can be oo or ooh, like a cuckoo. Cuckoo, ooh, 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 ooh. So it's either a bit like or ooh. Let's have a look. These ones on this side are ooh. These ones on this side are. Let's have a look. First one is skool. Skool. I know that's CH, but we don't say ch. It's skool. School. So that's a Oh, sorry, that's a ooh. School. School. Sk. Ooh. Oh, this is bad handwriting. Sorry about this, but oh. School. Okay. School. So that's a ooh. Food. 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 There's some food. Pizza and sandwich. It's food. Ooh. Ooh. So these are ooh. Food. Food. Ma. Ooh. Moon. 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 There's the moon. Moon. Ma 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 ma. Ooh. Ooh. No 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 moon. Moon. Okay, let's try the next one. Room. 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 Oh, there's a classroom. Look. Room. 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 Okay, what other ooh sounds have we got? Two more. Ooh. Cool. Kakoi. Cool. Is he cool? Maybe. Cool. 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 He's cool. So that means the last one. Pool. Pool. There's a swimming pool. Pool. O, go round, round, and L. Ooh, pool. Okay, so all of these are ooh, food, school, pool, moon, room, cool, ooh. This makes a like buck, book, sorry, it's a It's a not a ooh. It's not a book. It's a book, book. There's the book. Book, book, book. Book. Sorry, so book. Look, look at me. Look. Difficult to write these O's on this screen. And a K is difficult too. There we go. Look. Okay. Wool. Wool. That's wool. Sheep's fur is wool, called wool. Wool sweater. Wool. 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 Okay. Foot. 1 foot. Foot. There we go. Foot. Okay. What's next? Cook. There's a cook. The chef. Cook. Cook. Now, next one. Hood. Hood is just here. It's part of the. You put your hood on. Hood. 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 Last one. took. Oh, he took the money. Took. T-O, okay. Took. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, we finished. So there's two, right? There's a ooh, 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 or ooh, 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 the two sounds of double O. Okay. Good job. See you next time. Bye. Bye.